Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how we can add structure to the text in Canva. So let's start the video, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. I'm on Canva. So let me take one presentation canvas, blank canvas. Okay, so I just take this one. Now you need to add text. So just okay, so here the process, just go to the text, add your text as a heading, and yeah, write your text. Like I just write my text. You can increase the text size like this. Okay, here you can change the font. Okay, I have changed the font, and now just increase the size like this. Okay, now go to the app and search for the frame maker. Okay, you need to just type here frame maker, then this app will be open, visible to you. Just select that. Okay, now come to the convert here, select the frame and just continue. Okay, now hit the convert design to the frame. Here you need to keep the maximum size, click on that transparent background option and export it. Okay, now it's converted. Now don't click and move this image. Now what you need to do, just go to the image or upload your own image from here. You can upload own image from here. After upload you can see your images here, or you can use your images from Canva. Okay, you can search any type of image, like I just search car. So here you can see the lots of car option here, or I can upload my own image. You need to just upload, then this image will be you can see here. So just select that image and just drop on that frame. Now just double click on it, and from here you can rotate that image like this, or you can change. Okay, you can change the view. You can make visible that part of image which you want on that frame, like text frame, and just click on done. Now just select all elements. We have two elements here, and group it. Okay, and now okay, select all elements and group it, and you can increase decrease the size like this. Okay, just so now we have the structure of this frame. Okay, if you want to change, just okay, ungroup it, detach image, and here you can also search for structure. So we have in elements, you need to type structure, then here you can see lots of structure here. Okay, and you can choose any one. Okay, so go to the graphics, and here see the structure, select. Okay, select any and just drop on that frame. Now we can just select all elements like this and group it, and now we can increase the decrease size like this. Okay, here you have option effects. You can give the outline effects like this. Okay, so it will be looks perfect, you can see. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.